Good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. So today's vlog is going to start early because it's workout time and today is back and biceps. So let's quickly finish the workout. Not quickly, actually it takes me about 1 hour and then we'll vlog. So let's go. So finally I'm back and we are shooting in a different location right now. We are in the balcony of my house and I think it's a pretty great location to shoot at. And with this new setup, I think it's really going great. Today was a back and biceps day. I increased my weight a little bit, the weights I used to carry. And I think it went pretty well actually. So I hope the transformation is really going good. And I hope that it's really a great feeling to know that your body is changing in a very positive way. So that's about it, about the body transformation and the workouts. And so today actually I thought of going on a ride, not a longer ride but just to take the bike out, just to make the engine warm and so. So it's been a long that I have not done a motor vlog, and the weather is not that quite fine. Actually it was raining since the morning and it has stopped. So maybe in the afternoon after lunch I guess I'll take the bike out. I'm not sure about that. So my luck turned out to be really bad because the moment I said that I want to go for a ride, it started raining heavily and it hasn't stopped yet. So right now I'm outside a salon and basically I'm here because my grandfather had to have a haircut and that's why I brought him here with me, and they have made me sit outside because only one person is allowed inside there. So currently I'm just waiting for my grandfather to finish off his haircut and then I'm going to head home and then let's see what I can do, because I think bike ride for now is impossible, at least for today. Maybe tomorrow or day after the rain stops, then we can go for a bike ride. So let's see. You see this? So that's a perfect example of how your plans can get ruined by natural circumstances. So I planned on going on a bike ride and obviously the rainfall ruined it. So but no worries, I've got another plan, that is I can vlog at home, and I'm really enjoying this new setup. So the big news coming in today is that, not today actually, it came yesterday, that government is planning to ban more Chinese apps, and currently there are 275 apps, Chinese apps, which are under the scanner of the government, and already they have banned more 47 apps which were like secondary versions of the apps which were previously banned by the government, the 49 apps that were banned. So these apps were like Share It Lite, Hello Lite and all that, etc. But the big news about these apps being banned is one of those apps is known by the name of PUBG. So it's owned by Tencent Games, which is a Chinese company, and according to reports, India has one of the largest active user base of PUBG. So it's really big news. So they have changed a bit, which is making like the tagline of PUBG on Play Store in Hindi and all that, etc. And also they are making changes in the privacy policy. The main issue why these apps were banned were basically because of privacy issues, and also between the stiff which was there, which is ongoing actually along the LAC between India and China. So that was the main reason that these apps were banned, and now more 275 apps are under the scanner. So for the Indian Army, there are a lot of apps that are banned from use, so they can't use, and PUBG is already one of them. but for regular citizens, it's still active. It's still on the Play Store. It's still on the App Store, and we can use it. We can play it. But there has been speculation that it might get banned. So not sure exactly. And if government does so, then what's next? What's the future for all the PUBG players who are there on YouTube and who are like who have got famous through PUBG actually? So no negative thoughts about them, but it's one of the reasons why gaming culture actually came into play in India. Basically, it was because of PUBG. But I think that like when TikTok got banned, Instagram immediately launched a new feature called the Reels. So like those users immediately jumped on Instagram, and their Instagram became their primary source of like whatever income or content creation. So I think even if PUBG gets banned, there are a lot of other apps or a lot of other games which are there, which are ready to step into that shoes. So I think one of them is Call of Duty. Call of Duty Warzone, I guess, and Call of Duty Mobile for the mobile phone users, and also one other app is Fortnite. So these apps might come in to step in the shoes to fill the gaps if PUBG gets banned. But let's hope whatever the decision government makes, it's good for all of us, all of the citizens of India. Whatever the decision might be, we should support it because it's in favor of our country and not against our country or anything. So let's see what happens next. Also, to address the question that if I am affected by if PUBG gets banned, because in the recent videos you might have seen that I've been playing PUBG. So I just played it for like 5 or 6 times and then I quit it. After a month I actually deleted the app because I didn't play it at all. After that I just played it for the video, honestly speaking. So actually I don't have the app right now. One of the main reasons is because I don't have space on my phone. Actually I have, but I've kept it for photos and videos and all that. So that's one of the main reasons that I have no issue if it gets banned or something. But yeah, whatever the decision is, like, let's stick by it, let's support the government and let's move forward actually, because there's always an alternative basically. Even like in today's competitive world, like if one thing is completely disappears, other thing will come up surely. So there'll be an alternative. So let's hope it all goes good. So let's end it here. Unfortunately, I didn't get to ride the bike today, and I'm clearly very disappointed by the rain. I know I've been repeating the same sentence 3 or 4 times over and over again, but that's how much I love riding, and that's how much I love my bike. So hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if it doesn't rain for at least some time, then I'll take the bike out and I'll surely record a motor vlog, because this channel has been missing like a motor vlog since a long time. So I hope it happens really soon. So for this video, that is it for today. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Do share it with your friends and families, and do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.